Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. So you've seen a lot of my skincare videos. I use a lot of natural products, but there's one hidden gem that I have never used. And a lot of skincare videos I've not seen this thing being used. That is wheat flour or gehu ka atta, which we eat like chapati, roti. And this is such an amazing ingredient. It has so many vitamins and minerals in it, and it's so good for your skin. So today we're going to make a face pack with wheat flour or gehu ka atta. So let's start. So for this we'll need wheat flour about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And we'll need warm milk about 2 tablespoons, and we'll need about 1 teaspoon honey. So I have my wheat flour here. I'm gonna add hot milk. Make sure that your milk is hot. Okay, I'm not saying warm, it has to be hot. Just add it into this. So this is about 2 tablespoons of milk that I'm adding. That's it. It's a little messy. Excuse me. Now I'm going to add honey to this, about 1 teaspoon. That's enough. Now let's mix it all quickly. So this is the paste you'll get. This is what it looks like. It's slightly thick. This is how it's supposed to be. You can also add rose water if it's become too thick, okay? It's optional, up to you. If you guys want, you can add rose water also. So let it cool down a bit and then we'll apply it on our face. So now let's apply this on your face. It has to be cool, okay? Don't apply it when it's like really hot. So, gently all over your face. This is going to be a little messy, I am telling y'all. So guys, I've applied it all over my face. I'm going to let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we rinse it off. Okay, I'm not exaggerating, but look at that glow. Oh my god, I think it looks amazing. I mean, my skin feels really good, and I'm definitely like going to do this once a week at least. You all should do it too, and let me know in the comments below if you tried this face pack and if you liked it, and if you have any more questions you can ask me, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is LeenaGardaOfficial, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and सब कुछ अच्छा है, सब ठीक है. So guys, today I'm here with another video, of course, but in this video today I'm going to show you a really good face pack for brightening and for a really nice radiant skin. So these are the ingredients you'll need for this face pack. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, about half a cup of milk and honey. So I'm just going to take this sabja seeds and put it inside milk. ये पूरा मैं खाली कर दूँगी. Now we just mix it really well. So now just wait for about like 15 to 20 minutes. It'll double up in its size. Sabza ka yahi quality, it'll double up, and ये बहुत थोड़ा सा like jelly type paste बन जाएगा, jelly type thing बन जाएगा, and then we will grind this. So let's just wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's wait for it to thicken up a little. Till then I'll tell you the benefits of sabja seeds. So sabja seeds, it's really good for skin glow करने के लिए, and it will restore your skin's lost radiance, and also it's power packed with like a lot of nutrients, so that's really good for your skin. And you also know कि to cool down your stomach, a lot of times you drink faluda or sabja seeds, you have that, so it's really good to calm your skin also. And milk, as we all know, it has lactic acid, of course it's really good for brightening skin. So these are the benefits of this face pack. So guys, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes, and can you see this? It's not thick ho gaya now. So I'm just gonna go grind this really quickly and come back. So guys, this is the paste. You can see it's like really nice, jelly-ish. Now I'm just gonna add a few drops of honey to this. So this is done. I'm just going to mix it really well and then apply it on my face. Y'all can add a little water if it's like too thick when you're grinding it. So I'm just going to take this. So I've applied this on my face, and I'm just going to let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. So guys, do try this face pack and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. And if you have any questions, anything, please ask me, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowdy Official. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.